Hello, welcome to Corporate Lifestyle. This is a quick review of Al Rehab Sabaya perfume oil. This product I purchased from halalsauda.com for just 150 rupees. Actually, this is an imported product, so the MRP is not mentioned anywhere on the product. So, anyways, this is how the box is, and if you open, we can see this is how the perfume oil is. Here, this is how the roller looks. Okay, now if I talk about the fragrance, then this perfume has a citrusy opening, so something like lemon, bergamot kind of fresh opening. Then in the middle notes we get the fragrance of rose, that rose and a bit of jasmine is there, and in the base notes we get green notes. So altogether it's a fresh floral and a green perfume, and the company has mentioned this product as a unisex product, but I feel this is more of a feminine side, like a female perfume. So that's how I felt. Okay, so this Al Rehab Sabaya, actually this company is from Saudi Arabia, and it is one of the most popular perfume brands in Saudi. Also, this particular product, I think this is manufactured in UAE. I think they have manufacturing unit in UAE also. So anyways, those who are from Saudi, UAE and all, or those who are working there and all those people, I think they are very much familiar with this Al Rehab brand. So anyways, if I talk about the performance of this product will give us around 7 to 8 hours of projection, because as it is a perfume oil, the concentration of the oil is much more than the perfume. Because Al Rehab Sabaya perfume is also there. Perfume, I think in Saudi the price is around 5 Saudi riyals for that is small bottle. So I don't know the price of the bigger one. So anyways, compared to the perfume, this perfume oil is actually better. So the projection will be there for around a full, we can say a full daytime. If while going to office, if we are applying in the morning, then the fragrance will be there till in the evening. So that much is the projection. So, and also one more thing, this product, it is better to purchase this product from this that Halal Al Sauda website, because there the price is only 150, and the same product is available in Amazon, Flipkart and that for just it's like 190, 200 like that. So before purchasing from Amazon and Flipkart, just check the price in 2 or 3 other websites also. So anyways, that's all about this Al Rehab Sabaya unisex product. It's kind of a feminine fragrance from my opinion. So anyways, that's all about this video. Thanks for watching.